In this video, I introduce the ultimate Make Money Online cheat sheet. In this free cheat sheet, you will discover the exact steps to make money online in your first 24 hours, even if you have zero experience. Download your copy of it today if you're trying to make money online but not hitting your goals, or if you have been looking into making money online and want to start out right for maximum success. What is in the cheat sheet works whether you are in network marketing, affiliate marketing, or any other online marketing business. And if you run a traditional brick and mortar type business and are using the internet, it's for you too. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondack Mountains. I've been making money online almost since the start of the internet. I've been doing it full time for over 23 years now, and I've done both network marketing and affiliate marketing. The information in the cheat sheet is based on my many years of experience online. It's the very information that I share with team members and coaching clients to help them have massive success online. I share what I feel are the most important things you need to know about making money online, and just so you know, I apply these things every day in my own business. Just some of what you will learn in the free cheat sheet includes the importance of goals and commitment. And here's the thing, not getting these two concepts right is where too many marketers start out wrong. It is absolutely critical that you have realistic goals and commitment. I will help you understand why so many people fail trying to make money online so that you are not one of them. See, making money online can be one of the easiest things you have ever done if you do it right. I'll explain how to start out right by selecting the right business to build, and trust me, it's not what you think. You've got to do this correctly. Then we'll move on to marketing systems. Maybe more than anything else, your success depends on the marketing system that you use. And it's how you leverage your time too. It's how we teach people to be successful working just minutes a day. I'll share my most effective marketing strategy as well as 100% free marketing techniques to build your business. And I'll tell you right now, what so many people call a great lead source is not a marketing strategy. Purchased leads are never as effective as the leads you generate yourself, so don't waste your time or your money. Probably the most important thing I share is how to brand and promote you. This is how you separate yourself from all of the other marketers who constantly just pitch their business. Blah, blah, blah. Who cares? When you master branding and promoting you, you will have people reaching out to you, ready to join your team or ready to buy your product, rather than you chasing them down like most others try to do. I'll share what to look for in training and mentoring to make more money online. Over the years, I've found that the lack of quality training and mentoring is what holds most people back. See, most companies do not deliver the training and the mentoring that people need. I'll help you know what you really need to have. And then lastly, in Chapter 7, I'll reveal the key to making money online in your first 24 hours. It's unbelievably simple. So, to learn more about making money online and to get your free copy of the cheat sheet, go to MakeMoneyCheatSheet.com.